Hi, and welcome back to this video series on values and motivators. What we have here, or what we're going to draw, is the values and motivators graph. And if you've taken an assessment with us, you might have a page in your assessment that looks like this. This is also the values and motivators graph. And we're going to talk about each one of the values and motivators, starting with the first one all the way to the left, which is theoretical. So if you have that page in your assessment, go ahead and look it up so you can see how high these different factors are for you. So we're going to talk a little bit about the theoretical in this video, and the high theoretical person is somebody who's driven by a passion for knowledge and for learning. High theoretical people tend to be very intellectual. They tend to love to learn about a wide variety of topics. So when we say high, you'll notice the graph is 0 to 100. So anywhere above maybe the 60%, we'd consider somebody in that passionate range around theoretical pursuits. And the high theoretical person will typically be looking for truth. I call it truth with a small t, not truth with a capital T. That's something we're going to talk about a little bit later with another one of the motivators. And so they're really into discovering the truth, whether it's scientific research or reading or looking up things online. Sometimes the high theoretical person will tell you they go down the bunny hole, meaning they go from article to article to article, link to link to link, all in this discovery of truth. When somebody's low theoretical, if you happen to look at your graph and you're low theoretical, what that means is it doesn't mean you don't have a passion about learning anything, but you might just keep that passion to one area. Maybe you really love cooking, or you really love travel or something along those lines, and so you'll do a lot of research or reading around that topic of interest, but other topics won't really kind of hook you the same way. Whereas high theoretical people really love to learn almost about everything. And if you are low on that theoretical scale, you tend to be more instinctive. So rather than intellectual, you'll really use your gut instinct to make decisions. It won't be about researching and learning and needing to discover, the facts and the information before you make a decision. You're kind of going to go with your already previous knowledge and more or less trust your intuition than what it is that you're going to learn. So if you're high theoretical, if it's one of your top two, then that is something we consider a driving passion or a driving force for you. And it's really something that you need to get satisfied in a job in order for you to be happy and to perform well. So high theoretical, I always say most everybody on The Big Bang Theory, if you're familiar with that show, is a high theoretical. Sheldon Cooper on that show is a high theoretical. And of course, they're all scientists and astrophysicists. But if you are a high theoretical, then your job needs to offer you continuing and additional opportunities to learn in order for you to be happy. Let us know if you have any questions. You can always reach us at info@discwizardonline.com.